Hey y'all, today we bring you to the Delafosse Cemetery. This one's particularly special. It's deep in the woods over here in Onalaska, Texas. It's a pretty old cemetery. It's definitely seen better days. Let's take a look. Off of a dirt road here, a beautiful little cemetery, just long forgotten. We want to be very careful and mindful of snakes and also the trees. Here we have Pierre Delafosse, born in Louisiana, March 30th, 1816. Died in July 9th, 1879. Here's Miss Clementine, Pierre Delafosse's wife. She was born May 19th, 1823, died September 20th, 1876. We have a lot of beautiful, just wild hollies, eopons, palmettos. The tragedy that this old pine has fallen right next to the son of Pierre and Clementine. Felix Delafosse, born March 3rd, 1868, died September 3rd, 1873. 5 years, 5 months. What a tragedy. And then to see this. I can hear a goat doing some crazy things off yonder. Here's the other side of this tree.